grow old with you.
Good morning!
Morning! Good morning!
Good morning, guys! Gagawa kami ng hot cake or pancake ng kids. Why are you eating tomatoes? What do you want? No pancake?
Okay?
You want pancake?
Yeah.
But you're eating tomatoes from the fridge. Then you guys, show guys. Then you guys, kung ano kinakain niya. Kamatis. Ginagawa niyang apple yung kamatis niya, Diyos ko. Anyway, I got yung hot cake creamy classic ng white cake. Gusto ko itong ginagamit kasi mag-a-add ka ng butter, ng milk, at saka ng egg. Compare dun sa iba, water lang. Parang mas prefer ko na whole food yung... May mga ingredients pa rin na whole food, you know? Gusto daw nila magtumulong sa paggawa ng
Some
pancake.
flour!
Wait, open it.
Flour!
Huh?
Flour!
It's flour, yeah.
And what's the flour?
May commentator na naman tayo.
Next. Okay, next.
Now you need to get, what's next,
Some
egg?
egg!
Or go get egg then.
How many eggs?
One.
I didn't get one egg. One egg! Egg!
There. Who wants, open the egg?
Yeah.
O, Easter naman, anak. Come here.
Where's the sound for it?
Hold this. You have to break the egg, not like that, like this. Hold it properly. Okay. And then open. 1, 2 hands. Put your finger in this one, in there. And then open. Wow! You did it! Now put that in now.
Bin.
Good job.
Jinx.
What's next?
Jinx. Milk.
We need?
Milk.
Oh, where do you get the milk? Do you want to go up? Wait lang, huh?
Yeah.
2/3. So I need to 1/3 cup. This one.
Now
Two of this.
Is it my turn?
You can take two. You can do one each of the milk. Hold on. Get the milk. And then pour it. Okay? To aid you. Wow.
Lily's turn.
Lily's turn naman. It's too far away, anak. You have to keep it close. Put it here. You have to hold it up there when you're pouring. That way, if it's spilled inside. Go. Good time. And then now it's
Mix.
mixing time. Okay. Who wants to mix?
Both of us.
Both of you.
A
Okay.
wants to mix and I want to mix.
How about you mix first?
Okay.
Lily mix it.
Mix or mix?
Mix.
Yeah. I don't feel very close. Don't stick. Don't stick. No. That's good. Phew.
Hey, these are mini pancakes. So I'll just give you a little bit and then you guys come back for more when it's finished, okay? So you're eating together.
Yummy. Bye, Mommy.
Bye, let me make more.
Mommy said thank you, Mommy.
Oh, you're welcome, babe. Kagawa na ako ng breakfast ng kids, so now it's my turn. Ang aking food naman or breakfast for today is yung kinamatisang itlog. Wow. Kinamatisang itlog. Omelette siya with tomato. So, sa mga favorite ko talaga. Since Daddy left, hindi ko alam kung na-mention ko sa inyo before, hindi ako guys makakain masyado. Parang ang OA pakinggan, pero totoo talaga siya. Na yung breakfast natin. Ayan, I'm having tea as well. Habang inaayos ni ate yung aking namamagang ankle. May sprain ako, mga mi.
She fell off the stairs.
I didn't fell off. No. Well, yeah, it was on the stairs. Last step na dun sa hagdan, pababa. And then yung pa ako gumanon. And then, hulog ako. And when I fell, talagang sobrang sakit niya. At natakot ako kasi baka yung buto. And thank God, nalalakad ko naman siya. Kaya lang limping ka talaga. Saka masakit talaga siya. Ayan, namamaga din siya. Hindi lang masyadong halata kasi payat yung, ayan o. Payat yung paa ko kasi. Pero pag kinumpare mo siya dito sa isa, ito yung isa, tapos ito siya. So makikita mo dyan yung pamamaga. Anyway, thank you. I'm so lucky kasi I have a nurse. A nini nurse. Hindi ko guys alam kung na-mention ko na to sa inyo before, but since umalis si Daddy Phil, which is a little over 3 weeks na from now, hindi talaga ako makakain ng matino. And then every time natatry kong kumain, lalo pa sa gabi, sinusuka ko siya. As in, nilalabas ko din siya ulit. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Parang hindi tama yung pakiramdam. And parang hindi ko alam kung dahil sa stress or anything. So, hindi ako talaga makakain. Kaya yung kantang, di na makakain. Di pa makatulog. Char. So, yun yung nangyayari sa akin. And si Lily, yung pinaka nag-worry sa akin. And minessage siya pa yung daddy niya na sana daw bumalik na kasi daw hindi ako makakain. What did you say before?
I want Daddy to come back so he can cook you food.
So you can cook me food? Why?
Hey, Daddy! Hi, Daddy!
You wanna talk to daddy?
Yeah.
Daddy's still sleeping.
Daddy!
Oh. Daddy's sleeping.
Daddy!
It's still nighttime in England.
Daddy!
Oh my God.
Daddy!
Okay, later. Alright? We will call daddy, okay?
Come!
Okay. Mommy will call daddy on the phone.
Ate all day.
I haven't eaten all day. When's the last time you saw me eat?
Hey, where are you? Hey, where are you? Daddy was here.
Yeah, right? I mean, I eat naman. Like, nung lumabas kami, I think we went to Texas Roadhouse, right? And I had, sarap na yung kanilang salad. I had some salad, tapos nag-edit ako sa coffee, binagsalad din ako, pero hindi ko siya maubos talaga. Unlike before, bigyan mo akong 3 putahe, kaya ko yung ubos. As in, sobrang takaw ko. So, and yung pagkain ko na yon once a day lang. Kasi kapag gabi na, hindi na ako gutom, or kapag pinilit ko kumain, nilalabas ko nga siya.
She's thrown up 2 times.
So, excited pa naman ako kahapon kasi umorder ako ng pagkain galing dun sa Diwata Paris Overload. And gustong-gusto ko yung longganisa. Ang sarap ng longganisa. Tapos, yung Paris, kinain ko din naman siya. Kaya nakakalahati pa lang ata ako. And I throw up na. What do you want? AA?
Yeah.
Okay. AA, what you doing? What's your name?
It's AA.
My name is Aiden. How old are you? How many is that? No! How old are you? Pinakita niyo na. Gusto niyo lang yung reaction ko. No! How old are you?
2.
No! How old are you?
3.
Yes! Good job. You show us. No, you show us I love you. On sign language.
I love you.
There, I love you.
Hey, please.
Oh, you wanna see yourself?
Hi.
Gusto niya din pala siya kasali siya sa video.
Hello.
Oh, thank you. Yung anak ko, kung saan yung may injury ko, doon talaga siya. Wow! Wow! Who's that? AA. So cute.
My glasses.
Your glasses? Where's your glasses then?
My glasses.
Where's my glasses? Where's your glasses?
It's
Ow!
yellow.
Ow! No, Mommy's Awi. Tumatawa ka pa dyan.
Hey, where is it?
Where is it? Go find it.
Missing.
Yeah, go.
No.
Go find it.
Mom,
Itong batang to. Gusto pala, yung ingay niya pala, gusto niya makita yung sarili niya.
boy.
Are you a good boy? You're playing with my tea.
Good boy.
Where's a good boy?
Good boy.
You're a good boy.
Yeah. No more playing tea.
Huh?
No more playing tea.
No more playing with the tea. Okay, good boy nga.
Washing.
No splashing at my tea. No playing with my tea.
AA shirt is
Sinong makulit? Ito makulit. Good boy?
Okay, let's see
Listen.
what Lily wrote in there.
What did you write? Happy birthday. Uncle Damon Day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Well, don't worry, that's not at all. Birthday?
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
so.
Oh, look, that's very good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look, she even wrote
Look.
it. 20 quid.
Come here, you.
And she wrote,
Come here.
excellent.
Come here. Happy birthday.
Have fun
On your birthday. On your birthday.
He put,
Happy birthday, Uncle Damon.
yeah.
Wow. Grace has signed it.
Yeah, happy
Good
birthday. It's been so nice having you home.
Yeah, man.
On your birthday.
On my birthday.
Which is 20
And then she's putting there. Did you write that? 20 quid?
And also she filled in pound.
So you put 20 quid pound.
And excellent.
Excellent. Well, can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? Trouble? No. Can I have a hug, Trouble?
No.
Are you sure?
Cute, right?
Yeah, it's good. 20 quid.
Special Uncle Damon card.
Yeah, I know.
Keep
Do you want me to stop it?
Yeah, stop it.
Hi guys! It is now... Don't play with the toilet paper, anak. No. It is now, I think, 11 in the morning. Magsa-style lang ako ng buhok ko and then maliligo na ako. Laging inuuna ko yung pagsa-straight ng buhok ko bago ako mag-shower kasi, di ba syempre mainit kapag nagpa-plansya ka ng buhok. Parang feeling ko, pagpapawisan lang din ako, so sayang yung ligo ko. Yung feeling ko na hindi ako fresh, you know. And gusto ko pag nagsa-straight ako ng buhok dito sa banyo para madaling linisin yung mga buhok sa sahig. And maganda yung malaki yung mirror natin. Nag-wash ako ng buhok kagabi, tapos sinayaan ko lang siya. Gusto ko sarili siya, kumaga matuyo siya on its own para yung damage hindi siya ganun katindi. Pag tuyo na siya, saka ako na lang nagsa-style. That way, less din yung trabaho, wala nang blow dry. Guys, can I just say how happy I am that this outfit actually fits me again? Isa to sa mga favorite ko mga damit and talagang kung matagal na kayo nanonood ng videos natin, alam nyo na lagi ko to siyang sinusuot. But then, hindi na siya kasya sa akin. Nag-gain kasi ako ng weight this year. It's kasama ko lang 14 months si Daddy. Talagang kain ako ng kain dahil mahilig siya magluto. And pag nagluto siya, nagtatampo siya kapag hindi may inubos yun. And he loves it when parang nag-gain ako ng weight. Ako personally, nanghihinayang ako kasi ang dami kong damit na hindi nasusuot as in. Pwede ko na matandaan ko sa ako ito nabili, pero matagal na to siya sa akin. And so, sobrang ka-excitedan ko na nalaman ko na kasya na siya sa akin ulit. Minessage ko si Mama. Sabi ko, Ma, please, ipadala niyo sa akin yung mga damit ko na hindi kasya sa akin last month. So, grabe. Ayun siya. Nakakatuwa.
Ready. Today is Daddy's birthday.
As soon as nakita yung mga bata, sabi yung mga kids, you guys want to eat at McDonald's? Yung mga kids naman nag-yes agad. So, lalabas ko sila. And this one, nakalimutan ko magdala ng stroller. Mga miso, lakad siya ngayon. Sana hindi magpabuhat mamaya. So, A is having rice and chicken with gravy. Si Lily naman burger. Kain.
Mommy, look. There's a panda.
Yeah.
I thought there was a McDonald's pet.
Maybe this one. Oh yeah, I thought it was McDonald's one. Well, we can ask them to change it. Aiden, eat na anak. Kinakanta niya ng happy birthday yung daddy niya. Ayaw nito nagpapasubo. Okay. Girl had a burger and now he wants rice and chicken. How can that fit in your stomach?
I only have a tiny bit.
Yeah? Okay. And nanggaling kami sa National Bookstore. Pumili kami ng kailangan niya para sa birthday card. And then, we're thinking of getting cupcake para sa birthday ni Daddy. Thing you want? We'll get cupcake with candles. I don't know if they got candles. Maybe they don't have candles.
How many candles? I think
One.
Yeah.
I don't think they got candles. Come here. Happy na?
Yes, mommy.
Yes, mommy. You have to pay first. Hi. This one? What else do we need? Grocery stores again. Ayan. Wala na kaming eggs, so we have to come back here. Bili din ako ng nito. I'm not sure if we got whipped cream at saka pasta daw. Have to check kay Daddy. Kasi hindi ko alam doon. Whipped cream. Where can we find whipped cream? Kuha rin tayo ng Parmesan cheese para gusto ko magluto ng carbonara para sa kanila. Yung madaling carbonara lang. Yung may ano lang. Whipped cream, bacon, at saka pasta. We've got yung cupcake para kay Daddy. And we've got some brownies for our dessert tonight. Come on, kids. So, yung available lang nila doon, yung congrats. Birthday ni Daddy. Sabi ko, okay lang. Yung likod na lang susulatan ko. So, yun, sulatan natin ang happy birthday.
Eat now. Happy birthday.
We have to wait. We have to call Daddy first. Tawagan natin si Daddy. You there?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Whoa.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you.
Whoa.
Happy birthday to you. Lady, sing.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday. We got no candles. You have to pretend to blow. Blow. Hey, blow. Hey, blow. He wants to eat it. You want to eat?
No,
Huh?
Don't go.
now he's gonna eat the cake.
Yeah.
Mommy.
And me. We have another one. This is strawberry. Try?
Yeah.
Let's sing happy birthday to Daddy
Happy
again.
birthday to you.
Is it?
Happy birthday to you. Happy
What's that on his head?
Chocolate.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, babe.
Happy birthday to you.
Blow. Blow. Oh, lick. Yummy strawberry?
No.
Strawberry cupcake. Oh, this is for Amy. Okay. So, Lily, you can show your card.
Let me see. Go. Who's that?
What?
Is that me?
Yes.
My melon head.
What?
Let's see.
Orange.
Wow.
I should draw orange. Here, it says happy 36th birthday, Daddy. Imagine when
Whoa.
we go to England. What are we gonna do? What I think is going to the beach or playing in the snow, making a snowman, having a snowball fight, and remember, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Wow.
Us going to the beach, even if it's not hot in England. I just imagine it. Bill making a snowman over here and then having a snowball
Yeah.
fight.
Wow, so much goodness on that card though.
Right?
And then in the back, I just put a little bit of decoration.
Wow. We have to
It
take...
was beautiful, Lily.
And then after the bed, I put laughing emoji
Yeah.
with tears coming out.
Hello guys! So yung dinner namin today, nire-ready ko na siya. I'm not feeling that well kasi nga I've been throwing up. Kaya wala nang ayos yung fest ko. Gilamos ako and everything. But, ayan, naghahanda na ako ng dinner ng kids. So, for dinner, we're having yung gawa-gawang carbonara. We've got bacon here. Tapos yung cream natin is itong cooking cream. May bawang tayo tsaka sibuyas. Usually, hindi ko siya nilalagyan ng sibuyas. Pero para maiba naman, lagyan natin sibuyas. Some beef cube. Pero 1/4 lang nito yung ginagamit ko. Black pepper. Tapos yung parmesan pa pala. Parmesan. Ayan, grated. So, yan lang guys yung halo nito. Ayan. Paborito to ni Lily nung kanya, yung baby pa siya. Hanguin na natin yung ating pasta so we can start with our sauce. So, hindi na ako gagamit ng mantika. I'll just use yung bacon para yun na yung pinaka-mantika niya. So, papamantikain ko lamang ito. Hindi ko na guys napakita sa inyo, pero ang ginawa natin, nag-isa lang ako sa mantika ng bacon ng garlic, onion, tapos nilagay ko yung ating cooking cream, and then some black pepper. Maglalagay din ako konting-konting asin, pero konti lang kasi maglalagay tayong parmesan. Parmesan medyo nakaka-ayan siya. May konting alat din yan. Ayan, and then we'll be using yung parmesan. So with parmesan, kailangan konti lang nito kasi nakakaumay siya pag sobrang dami. Maganda dito, tutulong din siya para medyo lumapot-lapot yung ating sauce.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.